Python, Unicode problem. I am trying to decode a string I took from file. Adding ignore do not really help.
Edit. Since you posted 2.7, this is the 2.7 solution. Ignoring undecodable characters.
This looks like UF16 data. So try. Edit. For your update, try to decode the whole file at once, that is. The problem is that the line breaks in UF16 \n\x00, but using read lines will split at the \n, leaving the \x00 character for the next line.
This file is a UTF-16 low-encoded file with an initial BOM.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.